President-elect Yoon Suk-yeol's transition team expressed confidence that people should be able to feel the changes following relaxed virus prevention rules. This is part of the committee's push for what it calls sensible, science-based measures. Kyung-eun has the latest.
President-elect Yoon Suk-yeol's transition committee is calling for the easing of restrictions to show more flexibility. For one, he proposed that the health ministry should allow eating and drinking at indoor stadiums as long as they can ensure fresh air quality.
The health ministry said it will promote ways to allow eating and drinking indoors under certain conditions like a proper ventilation system. The measure is expected to take effect next week when restrictions are to be revised.
This comes as the South Korean baseball season began last week amid eased restrictions, but some fans at Kochuk Skydome were still banned from eating because it was labeled as an indoor facility. Education is another area where the committee is calling for more flexibility. Following reports that some students were unable to take their midterms due to infection, the committee requested the Education Ministry ensure they have a chance to take their exams, like setting up a separate testing room for them. All these are in line with the science-based pandemic response, which will guide the COVID-19 response roadmap for the Yoon administration's first 100 days of taking office.
Based on the principle of science, the committee will listen to the voices of the people and make revisions to any antivirus rules that aren't sensible.
Also in line with the science-oriented government, the Transition Committee's chair An Chol-soo visited Hyundai Motors' Namyang R&D Center. An went around the site in a self-driving car and was escorted by a robot dog. He vowed to strengthen South Korea's competitiveness in future mobility, which he says will feed the nation after chips and smartphones. Kyung-eun, Arirang News.